Linking your bank account to USAJOBS is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your federal job applications and payments efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your USAJOBS account. Visit the USAJOBS website and either create a new account or log into your existing account using your email and password. Step 2. Access your profile. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find a banking section. In your profile settings, look for the section labeled Banking Information or Payment Information. Click on this section to begin the process of linking your bank account. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with transactions. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your bank information, review it for accuracy and click the Save or Submit button to link your bank account to your USAJOBS profile. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the process was successful. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your USAJOBS account, making it easier to manage your federal job applications and payments. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to USAJOBS support for assistance.